It's like Christmas if you're a UC nerd.
Except
Chris.
the courier's not dressed in red and doesn't have a big white beard.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Look, we're obviously getting into the unboxing and how do you set stuff up segment. We've got some handsets here. What's that? A key expansion module by the looks of things?
That's right.
That's the bit you add to the side of the
You
handset.
can put on the side, yeah.
All right, what else have we got here? What's that?
Well, we've got a couple of headsets.
That's a headset. I can't wait. I'm going to do this anyway, right? I'm going to have a look at what one of the... Oh, look at this. Look, that's a teaser for later on. What's that last box?
An analog telephone adapter.
An ATA. Oh, what's that for?
Mainly for connecting older analog style equipment, stuff that doesn't have a SIP client in it. And what it basically allows you to do is connect, say, door openers, alarms, fax machines, those types of things.
One of these. Here's one I prepared earlier.
Well, yeah, look, the old Touchphone 200, they were a venerable and popular phone in their day.
This one actually says Telecom Australia on it still. That shows how
probably
old it is.
not the type of gear that you'd be wanting to hook into your brand new Tippet environment today, but nevertheless, an example of the type of older equipment that some people still need to use.
Yeah, and it may not be that. Obviously, it can be something like an alarm system, as you mentioned, or whatever. All right. I can't wait to get into it, so let's do so.